Okay guys, it's a short video instruction on how to install Ethernet driver on Windows. Simply type start menu, type there device manager and click on OK and you will see such window. Another way how you can do this is simply click on Win plus R button and type here device like this, so this line, yeah, and click on OK. It will open the same window. Anyway, next what you should do is find your network adapters and expand it. Here you need to find your Ethernet controller or connection in my case. And what you need to do is next is to open simply a browser and copy paste this in the search. So same, yes, and find your drivers like this. So pretty simple. This one not work. Let's try another link like this one, yeah. And yeah, here we can see latest driver and software. Make sure it's official website like Intel, yeah. And here is complete driver pack. So simply click on it and download to your computer and install it. So everything is simple as you can see. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.